So, how can you check the recently used apps or the recent apps on the Android? Let me show you exactly where you can find it. If this is your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything. So, you just go to your settings, and a part of the digital well-being and parental controls, we can literally see the breakdown of the screen time. So, similarly to the iPhone screen time, we also have the same thing on Android. You can basically open it up like that, go back a few days or weeks, and see the exact amount of time of apps and categories of apps that have been used. So it's a nice way to kind of like break down the statistics and see how the phone has actually been used. So you can as well see the amount of notifications received and how many unlocks and so on. So it's actually very useful if you need to see the data for your applications. As well, on the main page in the digital well-being, we have the graph icon in the top right, which is going to generate a weekly report. And this is going to show you some time, compare some average, and yeah, you can see some of the most used apps. So that's the stuff which you might be interested in, and that's how you're going to check it out. Keep in mind, however, that you also have some other tools like app timers and goals, parental controls, all of that. It is still possible to tap the three dots in at the top right and go to the settings and also manage some other things in here too. So, for example, if it doesn't work for some reason, to make sure that the usage data access is not turned off, because it has to be enabled in order for the service to track your usage. So that has to be enabled. So if that doesn't work, check out this section. But I believe that you should definitely be able to see that. It's very useful. And yeah, let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. And I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.